Hello students, today I want to tell you about the stenography, about the tutorial of stenography. Okay, so first of all, introduce to all of you with the stenography. You have learned to read and write English language. You must have learnt an Indian language as well. So you are quite familiar with their scripts or alphabets. But do you know that these scripts are not fast enough to write the language as quickly as you might require? In order to record the human voice into neat and clean shortened script and to transcribe the same accurately, you require thorough knowledge of the principles of the system of shorthand. Wherever you start learning any subject or skill, it is necessary for you to know its background, its importance, and the methodology used in learning this subject or attaining that skill. So, you will therefore study in the first lesson importance of shorthand, qualities required for a successful stenographer, techniques for writing shorthand, and the material used in writing shorthand. So, what is stenography? The term stenography composed of two words, steno and graphy. Steno means narrow and graphy means to write. So, stenography means the art or any method of writing very quickly. Stenography was later known as shorthand. Shorthand has been described by Sir Isaac Pitman as the art of representing spoken sounds in shorthand characters. Shorthand provides a way of representing every sound heard in English words. Originally, the transcription of shorthand notes was done in longhand or the language script, which involved a longer time to transcribe. The transcription of shorthand notes speedily and neatly be done on either the typewriter or computer. The system of shorthand invented by Sir Isaac Pitman in 1837 in England has been found to be scientific and complete. In this system, all minute sounds of English words can be written in shorthand, and the shortened outlines can be read back accurately without any difficulty. Since this system is widely practiced all over the world and each and every town of India. So, what is the importance of shorthand? Shorthand writing is faster than longhand writing and it provides jobs to a number of persons. Another thing is it saves times and energy. A valuable advice to all the students about shorthand is that shorthand is easy to learn and you will enjoy mastering a secret script you can use for the rest of your life. Writing shorthand is like writing longhand, but it is quicker. English has some set of signs, means alphabets, to record the words, but shorthand also has some set of geometrical signs. Like longhand, the shortened signs also can be read back later or put them back in longhand words. Shorthand or stenography is learnt by constant, regular, and vigorous practice. It takes 2 to 6 months to complete the exercises depending upon the time utilized for its practice every day. Pitman's shorthand is based on rules, and hence you must be through with all the rules and exceptions included. After completing the course, you will be able to write in shorthand a simple general passage at 40 to 50 words a minute, and with regular practice 80 words per minute and above can be achieved. The way to become an expert shorthand writer is by reading, copying, and taking down from dictation shorthand that is not only rightly formed by the rules of the system but also a good example of shorthand writing in itself. So, students, what are the advantages of that shorthand? Though the computer has encroached into every corner of our lives, it cannot fit into every area. So far many IT gadgets have made their entry into office automation. No such gadget could replace the stenographer or personal assistant or private secretary so far. Every manager needs a secretary as his or her assistant. By learning shorthand, your vocabulary and grip on English language will improve. If you choose to learn this beautiful art of shorthand, otherwise called stenography, which, when you are thorough with the rules, would surely fetch you a good professional employment where you will have ample opportunity for career progression and growth. Many shorthand writers or stenographers reach the top positions in their organizations. A number of public and private organizations are in need of qualified stenographers. The one thing about the shorthand is that the secret of success in shorthand is only practice. Okay. So what kind of material are required to start learning or practicing shorthand? Before you begin learning the system of Pitman's shorthand, keep the following items ready. This is Pitman's shorthand instructor and key, new era edition. Then shorthand notebook, readily available in the market, or a ruled exercise book for practice. While writing shorthand in the shorthand notebook, only the facing pages are to be used. Then the notebook should be reversed to use the other side pages, which becomes the facing pages. Next is shorthand pencil is recommended. Though shorthand is written with pen having special nib, not available in India at present. Okay, and a sharpener for shorthand pencil. Next is a suitable armless chair and an office table in a well ventilated and noise free room. And the last, PC with internet connection, a printer and stationery, and so on. That is for the today's class. Next class is started with the chapter number 1, the consonants.